Hello, CFP coaches. Here is some of the features of zenplanner and what you'll need to do what you need to know to kind of function with the app and deal with clients and all that kind of stuff. So we'll just kick it off really basic. First, signing people into class, right? You'll have the schedule here. Go ahead, click on any class you'd like. Right, they come up. Search for whoever you want to search for. Right, that name comes up. Push the arrow to bring down the menu, and you'll always want to reserve if you're bringing them in to class. You'll hit the reserve button, and that'll bring them in. And then when you check them in to the class, reload. Right, she'll be there. When you check them, you just click on their name and they get put into class. Now, if you're dealing with somebody who is not a member, right, they're new, they're going to need to fill out a form, they're going to need to be put into the system, they're going to need to have a profile, a picture, and all that, and then I'll show you how to log them in. But first, to add a person, you'll go down to hit the plus sign, add person. Right, go through these steps, make sure you get a photo, next, and just save. All right. If you're going to sell them a membership, we'll get into that. Now, if you have somebody that's coming in that's doing a free trial for a class, right, we'll go through this process. You kind of search for the person's name, right? You're already in the check-in window. You'll search for somebody. You'll come to their profile you made, so their name should come up in the ineligible. Right, you'll say reserve, and then this screen will come up. And then you'll say free trial, check-in, and then it's immediately going to throw them into class. If they haven't filled out a waiver, the waiver screen will come up, and you'll have them sign the waiver. So that's for how you're going to want to handle drop-ins. Now, selling a membership. This is also very easy. Their person should already have a profile, picture, everything's already in. Should already put in the credit card information, but if you haven't, it's not a problem. You can do it through this process as well. We're going to go here. We're going to use our same test person, Chris Connolly, right? I would go to the down menu, go to his profile, and now you come up to his profile menu, and this is where you can add his payment method here. Add payment method, go through that. You're going to need everything that is asked for, shipping address. It does not need the PIN, the code, but it needs the credit card number, expiration date, billing address, and zip code. But you'll fill that out, add the payment, and then it's there. So you want to do that first. And then to sell the membership, add the membership. Here's the list of all the different memberships. Most people are going to be doing unlimited 3 times a week memberships. There you have the couples memberships as well. You have kids and things like that. The 2 times a week is right there. But then your year contracts are here. If somebody wants to commit to a year, if you do that, they're going to be presented with another waiver they're going to have to sign, which is the year contract, right? Youth classes, rolling starts, and personal trainings, and then year, and so on. So that's where you're going to click on something. I'd say, let's say unlimited. Push next, right? And then that'll come up, and then you'll say purchase, but he has no credit card information. If his credit card information is already there, there'll be a purchase button. You push purchase, and you're good to go. And it'll take care of it. It does kind of lag sometimes when you're selling something, so just give it a second. Don't push purchase again. It just kind of takes some time. If you want to sell something, right? Same idea down here with the plus sign. You hit the plus sign, retail purchase. Very easy. Come in, click on whatever somebody wants to buy if you want to help them out with a purchase, right? There's also things that you would sell that are one-offs, like a cold plunge drop-in or the one-on-one intro one-offs. But if you're selling a product, right, you click, go to cart, say checkout, type in their name, credit card information already should be there. Right, click their name. Push checkout. That's still not going to bill them, and then you'll have your credit card, pay now, and then it charges them. Once again, it sometimes takes a little while for it to load, but that's how you'll do retail purchases. Lastly, rolling starts. If you are doing rolling starts, which is the 4 one-on-one sessions to bring new people into the gym and taking classes, this is the process that you'll need to do. You'll need to find the person, profile already made, credit card information like we did before. We'll find that person. Right. The rolling start is still treated like a membership. So you would add the membership, you'll go down to the rolling start section, and you'll sell them a normal rolling start. Boom, it's only $80 if they're doing it with the purchase of their membership. Right, click, same process, push the next, their credit card information, you'll say pay, and you'll bill it. When you're selling memberships, you cannot sell 2 memberships at the same time. So if I'm selling the rolling start, I'll have to sell the rolling start, go back to their profile, sell membership, and sell the full membership separately. You can't charge 2 different memberships at the same time. So you'll have to do each individually. But then you sell them both, and then that's how you'll sell them the rolling start, which works like a membership. It's only 4 sessions. It only lasts a month. There is no renewal process on it, so it's just those 4 one-on-one sessions for that. Now, doing the scheduling for yourself, right? If I'm doing that rolling start session, right? The way you set that up, and this is how you set up all personal training sessions, is you push the plus sign, add appointment, pick the day up here, right? That you're gonna do it on. Let's say we're doing it on the 9th, right? I have 1 hour personal training. I need to pick that I'm doing a rolling start, okay? And then that you're the coach, right? The time that you're going to be doing it at, that hitting it really makes it really easy. Okay, and that you're there. Then you need to search for the person that you're going to be doing this with. All right. Boom. Now, it's not showing here, and I'm sorry it's not showing it here, but what will happen is if the person has purchased the 4 rolling starts, you will have a section that pops up right here, right, that says 4-session rolling start, and that's what you'll highlight, and you'll say save and purchase, and boom, it'll take it off. They have 4 sessions, it'll take it off basically like a punch card. So you'll click on the 4 sessions, it should already be highlighted because you had selected rolling start up here, it'll have it selected here, you push save and purchase, and then you're good to go. The other thing too, that what will happen is that it'll save the appointment on the schedule, and then what you'll need to do is when you have that appointment actually happen, you'll come to the calendar, and it'll be up here on the calendar wherever you scheduled it. Everybody can see all the rolling starts that are going on, right? So you'll find it, you'll click on it, and you will sign them in, right? Just as if it's a normal class. You'll hit their profile picture, and it'll put them into class. You'll need to make sure you check them into your rolling start session when you actually are doing it. So that's pretty much kind of the basics of the zenplanner app and what you need to do to kind of run the different things that we run, which are very basic, but that's that. Hope this is helpful, and we'll see you guys in the gym.